Hi everybody, this is Irma from Food for Healthy Bones with Skelly. Oh, sorry, Skelly. The skeleton that lives in us all. And today we're going to be preparing a quick little dish. It's called either Dinosaur Kale or Lacinato Kale, depending on where you come from. But I just want to show you again, remind you, this is the way I store my kale, plastic bag, in a jar with water. And this will stay in the refrigerator for at least a week, if not longer. And I'm going to be using a beautiful orange pepper, lemon, olive oil. Very, very simple. The idea behind this is that we're going to lightly steam the kale to remove the oxalic acid. So let me show you how I do this. First of all, this is the kale, so I am going to take away the center stem. And then I'm going to bunch them together and do almost like my own version of chiffonade. This is cook once and eat several times. It stays nicely in the refrigerator. Very, very simple dish to make, as I said. Only 4 ingredients. Okay, so look how rich and beautiful this is. I added a little bit more water because I want these to be a little immersed. But again, I'm steaming these. We're not boiling them, we're steaming them. And as they start cooking, start getting softer, I will then add the slices of my orange pepper. Turn my temperature up a little bit and let this sort of cook together. You see it's not too hot, that's why I have my hands in there. Normally I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't recommend that to anybody, actually. Like phytic acid, this is right out of the Healthy Bones Nutrition Plan and Cookbook under Managing Oxalic Acid on page 53. Like phytic acid, oxalic acid is primed to bind with minerals, or in this case, with one mineral, calcium. Once bound, it forms a calcium salt that the body then excretes. To lessen the amount of oxalic acid in greens, you can boil them and pour off the cooking water. Now, the one thing I love about kale is that it is a mighty superfood. So I'm going to run down all the vitamins. It has a tremendous amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, E, K, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate. And the minerals are calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. We all need potassium for our bones. So as this cooks away, going to take a little bit longer. Now, depending on how you like your vegetables, I like my slices of pepper a little bit crunchy, but we want to make sure that the kale is nice and soft. So we're going to let that cook a little bit longer. So my kale has cooked up nicely. I'm going to strain off the water. And then I'm going to top this dish off with the 2 other ingredients. And you can have a little bit more kale or a little bit more pepper. You can use orange peppers or green. I wouldn't use green peppers. A little bit of the olive oil. Drizzle it on. Get some fat, some nice healthy fat. And a little bit of lemon. And that's it. You could put on some salt and pepper. And there you have this beautiful, beautiful dish. All the colors. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.